We are innovators. We stand behind our product. Every day we sit here and we think about how to make our product better. Every day we sit here and we think about how to make our customer thrilled when we arrive and even more thrilled when we're done. We are simplicity and we are California closets. Our business wouldn't be where it is without the latest in digital solutions and technology. So in manufacturing, we have a lot of challenges. Being able to process things faster, quicker, with the latest cutting edge equipment and machinery is part of what makes our product what it is. And it makes us more accurate and just makes the product better that goes out the door. Sustainability of quality, that's a key point for us because we need to deliver the same quality product to our customers every day. Process efficiency is something that we have to focus on in manufacturing. In order to achieve more efficiency, we either need technology or we need a new machine. We don't like replacing people with machinery unless it does the job better, quicker, more efficient, or has a lot of benefits that we wouldn't have otherwise. Our time to market has been drastically reduced by leveraging the latest equipment. So our experience with Stiles has been great. They have a great selection of equipment and machinery, and they sell solutions. So we've been very happy to partner with them on most of our capital improvements here for machinery. What's been a pleasure is the sales team are extremely knowledgeable and they have a depth that you can't find with everybody. You know, you've got a lot of longevity in the organization. People have been there for a long time and they know their products. When it comes down to the installation and the service, they're there when we need them. It's not just the machine, but it's what you do with the machine afterwards that counts too. They've been a great partner. We've been able to do so much more than I could even imagine.